Out of interest, I've just done the first cut on the middle section of the bonnet. I haven't touched this yet, and just out of curiosity I thought I'd put the gloss meter on and see what the difference was, if any. So that we're getting a reading of 84.2. And after the first cut only, that's 99.4. So even without any medium cutting and finalising, the gloss level's already gone up quite substantially, which is always nice. I'm sure that you can see the difference. That's had 3 stages of cutting so far. Just going to start the medium cut before the refinement, and already getting great results. So we'll have a look at it a bit later and see what else we can get out of it. Just thought it might be of interest. See you later. As you can see, the front bumpers had loads of paintwork and not very good. It's a bit dry, so I'm knocking it down using the wool pad, just trying to get a bit more gloss. This has just had a couple of sets so far this side. I'm just going to carry on, see if I can just get it a little bit flatter and a little bit glossier. But it's not the best paint job. The bumper's covered in stone chips again, so there's not a lot I can do really. Get a bit of gloss, get some scratches out, and unfortunately that'll have to be it. I can't really go any further to help it without it being painted. Also, the vents that fit in the bonnet, the lacquer's peeling off those and the wrong colour, so I think I'm going to have to repaint those, but I'll show you that when I do them. So I'm going to crack on with this bumper. I've been on the bonnet for a couple of hours and I've got half of it really ready for the second stage, but thought I'm going to see if I can make this look a bit better, because it looks, well, bad now the bonnet's got a gloss on it. So I'll see you a little bit later and get some more polishing done. this was my first set of cutting this side of the bonnet. I'm just going to give it a wipe down now and have a look to see if there's any scratches left that I need to take special care of. Got quite a bad scratch across here and a couple here. So during the next few sets I'll make sure that I give it a little bit more pressure around the areas with the deeper scratches, and the rest of it looks like it's coming up okay. Just thought I'd give you a quick look at the cutting stage using a wool pad. I'll blow it out now, reload the pad and have another go. Right, see you on the next one. Here's a bird's eye view of what I'm looking at while I'm polishing, and soon to look like that. Right, let's get on with it. Right, thought I'd give you a bit of progress on the XKR. The pearl paint is now popping the metallic. Actually a lovely colour. So we're nearly through the side of the car. So we've done the roof, the bonnet, front wing, the door, and I'm just on the rear quarter. Done the tailgate. So there's still plenty to do. I'm having to take the scratches out with a wool pad, I think I explained earlier, and then the second stage is using a Jaguar's microfiber for the second stage, and then a black pad, a soft black pad for the final stage, but it is looking a million times better already. So, and it does look really mean from the back with these Vossen wheels on, and when it's all shiny it'll look beautiful. Right, I'm going to carry on. I'll show you when the quarter's finished. Looking much better. This is just after the first cut, so it can only get better from here. Right, see you on the next one. Let's just give you a look at, you've just watched that first set with the wool pad. and that's the result from the first cut. So by the time it's had 3 stages, it should look very nice, very nice. Shame about all the stone chips in the bonnet, but we can only do what we can do. Right, see you soon.